In this video, we're going to show you 2 ways to rotate your designs on the Happy Japan control panel. The first method is by pressing this button. Here we can choose from 4 preset rotation angles. There's also a mirror mode available. Let's take a look at an example. As you can see, the design has already rotated. To return it to its original position, press the P button located on the left side. Now, let's go to the Applications icon, then to the Settings menu. In this section, we can rotate the design to any custom angle we need. For example, let's enter 33 degrees, then press Set. When we go back to the home screen, we can see the design has rotated exactly 33 degrees. To return it to its original position, go back to Settings, set the angle to 0, press Set, and the logo goes back to where it started.